Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex channel. In this channel, I introduce the best financial market strategies. In this video, I introduce a strategy with a win rate of 94%. My suggested time frame is 15 minutes. This strategy works well in 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame. You can use this strategy in Forex, crypto, and stocks. In this strategy, I have used 3 indicators. Chandelier Exit indicator gives buy and sell signal. The Chandelier Exit is a technical indicator designed to help traders determine when to enter and exit a trade. The indicator consists of 2 lines, the Chandelier Exit Long and the Chandelier Exit Short. The Chandelier Exit Long line is used to identify when to enter a long, buy, position, while the Chandelier Exit Short line is used to identify when to enter a short, sell, position. The second indicator is Hull Sweet. The Hull Sweet is a technical indicator designed to help traders identify trends and potential trend reversals in the market. It is based on the Hull Moving Average, HMA, and is comprised of several different variations of the HMA. The HMA is a moving average that uses weighted calculations to reduce the lag associated with traditional moving averages. The Hull Suite takes this concept further by using different time frames and smoothing methods to create a more comprehensive view of the market. The last indicator is Waddah Attar Explosion. Waddah Attar Explosion V2SHK is a technical indicator designed to help traders identify trends and potential trend reversals in the market. It was developed by Waddah Attar and is based on the idea that markets move in cycles and that traders can profit by identifying these cycles. The indicator consists of 2 lines, the Waddah Attar Explosion line and the signal line. The Waddah Attar Explosion line is calculated by subtracting a long-term exponential moving average, EMA, from a short-term EMA. The signal line is a moving average of the Waddah Attar Explosion line. The indicator also includes a histogram that shows the difference between the Waddah Attar Explosion line and the signal line. Traders can use the Waddah Attar Explosion V2SHK to identify the direction of the trend and potential trend reversals. When the Waddah Attar Explosion line is above the signal line and the histogram is positive, it indicates a strong bullish trend. Conversely, when the Waddah Attar Explosion line is below the signal line and the histogram is negative, it indicates a strong bearish trend. In the next part, I will add indicators to the chart. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Enter the TradingView website. First, change the candles to Heikin-Ashi. From the Indicators tab, search Chandelier Exit Indicator and add it to the chart. Now search Hull Sweet Indicator and add it to the chart. Search Waddah Attar Explosion Indicator and add it to the chart. You changed the settings like me. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Rules for entering a buy position. First, you must determine the supply and demand areas. We are looking for a buy signal in the demand area. When the buy signal is given and the bullish beta candle closes above the previous candle and above the green moving average. Look at the Waddah Attar explosion indicator. If the bars are green and above the white line, open a buy position. Stop loss would be the recent swing low. Adjust take profit risk to reward 1 to 2 or wait until the price reaches the supply zone that you have previously specified, then exit the position. When the price above the moving average is green, the sell signals are not valid, and when the Waddah Attar explosion indicator bars are green, the sell signals are not valid. To enter a buying position with Heikin-Ashi candles, pay attention to these points. Look for a Heikin-Ashi candle that has a long bullish body and little to no upper shadow. Wait for the next Heikin-Ashi candle to open higher than the previous candle's close. Enter a long position at the open of the current Heikin-Ashi candle. Place a stop-loss order below the low of the previous Heikin-Ashi candle. Set a take-profit order at a predetermined level or use a trailing stop to capture profits as the trade moves in your favor. It's important to remember that trading involves risk, and it's always a good idea to have a solid trading plan and risk management strategy in place. The rules of entering the sell position. First, you must determine the supply and demand areas. We are looking for a sell signal in the supply zone. When the sell signal was given and the bearish beta candle closed below the previous candle and below the red moving average. Look at the Waddah Attar explosion indicator. If the bars are red and above the white line, open a sell position. Stop loss would be the recent swing high. Adjust take profit risk to reward 1 to 2 or wait for the price to reach the demand zone you have already specified and then exit the position. To enter a sell position with Heikin-Ashi candles, pay attention to these points. Look for a Heikin-Ashi candle that has a long bearish body and little to no lower shadow. Wait for the next Heikin-Ashi candle to open lower than the previous candle's close. Enter a short position at the open of the current Heikin-Ashi candle. Place a stop-loss order above the high of the previous Heikin-Ashi candle. Set a take-profit order at a predetermined level or use a trailing stop to capture profits as the trade moves in your favor. As with any trading strategy, it's important to manage risk appropriately and have a solid trading plan in place. It's always a good idea to use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and to have a target for taking profits. In this part, I will check the signals of this strategy. Please stay with me till the end. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Here the buy signal is given and the price above the moving average is green. Waddah indicator bars are green. I am opening a buy order. You must draw the supply and demand areas. Here the price is in a downtrend. I am looking for a sell signal. I am ignoring this signal because selling pressure has been strong and this is a correction. Here the price is in a corrective range. In this situation, you should draw this range and wait for this range to be broken. This pattern is rally base drop. Here, the buying pressure has increased, but the price must reach the demand zone to move up. I draw this range. After the price reaches the demand zone, I enter the buying position according to the rules. The price has formed a base here. Wait until this base is broken, then enter the position. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Good luck until the next tutorial.